Hey peeps, this is Conrad Layn here. Welcome to the gray market, where your friendly host Conrad Layn, who is me, is going to show you and share with you perfect ways to get yourself kicked off the Turo platform by participating in gray market transactions. Do not do it. It will void your insurance coverage. It will negate anything that can possibly happen to protect you, and you'll be delisted from a Turo. So if you want to get delisted, don't want your coverage to cover you, and you want to be kicked off the Turo platform, go ahead and do gray market transactions. But I highly recommend you not to do that, especially if you want to build a reputable business. Do not participate in the gray market transactions. So let me elaborate further. So hey peeps, so what gray market transactions are, I'm going to leave a bunch of links below that go in deep detail. I'm even going to leave a definition from IRMI, which is a phenomenal establishment that I use quite to go over different risk management practices, but they have a perfect definition about the term void. So if you want to void your insurance, and once you accept a gray market transaction, your coverage will be voided and you will have no protection. Now, what people don't realize, and they can simply make this mistake, is, for example, accepting tips. Do not accept any money from the guest at all. It happens quite a bit where guests, even if they want to be friendly with you, if they offer you a tip like, hey, here's an extra $5, extra 20 or extra 100 or whatever they want to tip you, do not take it. Just say, thank you, but I cannot take that. This is a Turo requirement not to accept cash that's unauthorized outside the Turo platform. You can't accept any money. That's it. Very simple. Don't accept any money. There are a few exceptions. I'm going to leave that link below. If you're a commercial host, meaning that you did not accept any Turo protection plans, and you're commercial and typically make somewhere around, I think it's 92%. Sorry if I'm not exact, but I think it's 92%. But you're not paying for any Turo insurance. You're simply just adding your vehicles to the Turo platform, but you have no insurance through Turo. You have your own insurance. That's one of the exceptions. There are a few other exceptions, but I'm not going to go over that. So I don't want to encourage it, because people take one thing someone might say and turn into something else. It starts off an orange, ends up an apple. So let's not even go there. If you want to find out the exceptions, there are a few exceptions. Follow the links below that I'm going to leave below the video. But the thing is, do not accept any money at all for anything outside the Turo platform. Do not accept any money. Don't accept any type of payment. Do not accept rides. Do not give rides to people. There's times where guests will say, hey, can you take me down the street? Do not do that. That's a gray market transaction as well. You're conducting a livery service, where it's you're basically become like a taxi or Uber. Do not do that. Do not do anything where it's outside the world of Turo. Do not pay them any money. Do not accept any money. Do not Zelle. Do not Venmo. I don't know how clear I need to make this. So sorry if it sounds super obvious, but I'm surprised how obvious it's not to a lot of people. And I've talked to quite a few hosts already, just in my neighborhood actually, and they accept tips and stuff like that. And I'm like, dude, don't do that. They're like, wow, I can't do that. I'm like, no, here, read your terms and conditions. As a host, a regular Turo host that accepts the Turo insurance plan, if you accept even $1, if you accept 1 penny or whatever, or if you offer a ride to a guest, you negate your coverage. You're offering services outside the world of Turo. So do not accept any money. Do not pay any money. Do not accept any service or give a service. Please do not do that. And if you're kind of interested in figuring out, do I do this or not? If you're not really sure, you don't want to listen to me, read the links below. It's directly from Turo, what they tell you, what you can and cannot do. And worst case scenario, if you're a Turo host or someone is getting into Turo, simply do this. Call them or chat with them and ask them. And if they say yes, there you go. It's documented. But don't take it upon yourself. So gray market transactions. So that's a perfect way to get kicked off the Turo platform. Do not do it. Turo is a phenomenal company. They do a lot to actually assist you as a host and as a partner. And you void all your coverage. So if your guest scratches your car, if they get in an accident, say goodbye to that if you accept a gray market transaction, people. So please do not do that. So that's about it. However, I'm actually meeting with a guest right now. I'm about to give the beautiful Buick. And so please, people, I'm just trying to look out for you guys. Gray market transactions. I'm going to leave a bunch of links below. Don't accept any money. Number rule. No money. Don't accept no money. Don't pay any money. Don't offer a service. Don't receive a service. Don't do anything like that. Don't take them down the street. Don't pick them up from somewhere. Don't go to a different location. Don't offer a service. Just stay away from that. Strictly pick up, drop off, and stay in the role of what you're supposed to do as a Turo host. Conrad Layn out. Peace. Bye.